bit ahead na for today.
Come with me as I style the world's most ugliest shoes, the Adidas Superstars. I'm here to do my my learners, and I just found this random spot in the parking thingy. It's an empty parking lot space thing, and I just wanted to do a little quick outfit check. So this is how I decided to style the first outfit. It's like this summer shorts thingy with like a preppy top. So I look professional at the top, but I could also be throwing it back at the top later. So yeah, and also with my little black bag to solidify everything. I don't know why. It honestly feels like when I am being at home, like now that I'm at home, it seems much safer. There's nothing to worry about. I am stress free about who's coming to fetch my phone. So, um, okay, so the shoes are not ugly at all. It's just that stereotype that was thrown around during those years where the superstars were named the ugliest. Just look at them. They are a true beauty. Okay, doing voiceovers just kind of cringes me out, so but I didn't film anything else in this video. Even my full fit is just that. And then I went to write my my learners that day, and the only thing I did else was just to like take headshots, and I had to do it in such a rush because it was a holiday that day. So yeah, but oh my gosh, check out my headshots. I feel so freaked out. Oh my god, this is so cute. I look so mature. Yeah, yeah. So I think that was all I did that day. Yeah. So let's move on to the next thing.
Okay, hi, this is this is editing Marv, and I know this video didn't go as I planned. I know you were expecting me to be doing a round of outfits, but we'll see as time goes if I'll ever do it again. But I'm heading back tomorrow. I'm driving myself to go catch a bus to back to Pretoria, back to school. So yeah, you just follow through that. I don't know. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.